Hey guys, welcome to Ernest Reviews. This is Ernest here and here to review ViralMoolah. ViralMoolah is going live at 11 a.m. EST on the 1st August, that is just a couple of hours from now. If you are looking to build up a passive income generating website ready to drive buyers traffic without spending a dime on ads, ViralMoolah can do it for you. Let it be in any niche of your choice, it doesn't matter. The claims are that the drive to buyers traffic is done through some untapped resources that will make this experience outstanding. There are video tutorials to go step by step through 6 main steps you will have to do. This include researching Pinterest trends, signing up on affiliate programs, building up a website, connecting your website into ViralMoolah, posting and advertising. So let's start off by showing you the video first. I will then take you to the members area. Are you ready? Sign up.
Have a mentor. Now don't get me wrong, having a mentor is crucial, but that guru wasn't the mentor I needed. I figured that out the hard way after I sent him $7,000, which was about 90% of my entire life savings. Stupid, I know. But he promised me that I will make it all back and more in no time. But as you might have guessed, again, I've made big fat $0. One day, I had a breakthrough. I remember it as clear as day. One day, I woke up depressed, like every day. I went to my desk to see what method I'm going to try today. I logged into my affiliate account, and it didn't show 0. Instead, I made $27.30 while I was asleep. To say I was happy is an understatement. I was out of this world. I was hooked. Since I have been doing 100 methods, I had to reverse engineer what exactly resulted in this money. Luckily, I was organized, so it only took a few minutes till I found it. It was a result of one post I made before I sleep. Can you believe it? The thing that made me money is a post I made on a social media network that I never used before. It was starting to go viral, and slowly but surely, sales started to roll in. By the end of the day, that one post made me $103.34 in pure profit. At that moment, I had an epiphany. The answer was not only having a good offer, the answer was not having traffic. answer is having the right offer with the right viral traffic. I finally cracked the code. Hey, my name is Venkata. Introducing ViralMoolah, the world's most powerful AI system that produces money-sucking viral posts on autopilot. This is the exact system I use to break out of poverty. But it doesn't just work for me. I gave this exact system to 94 beta testers. And one thing very important to mention is, none of them made a dime online before. And let me tell you this, every one of them made money in the first 24 hours. Yep, that's how powerful this system is. All that is possible by using the power of ViralMoolah. Oh, did I mention that you can use it from anywhere in the world? It works on your laptop or mobile. All you need is just an internet connection, and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300 plus profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of affiliate commissions. Nothing else is required. You probably think it's going to cost you a lot, right? Wrong. When I first started, I was in a really bad place. I had mountains of debt and barely any money coming in. And it killed me to see everything that can help me very expensive. I couldn't afford it, although I needed it the most. It felt like the system is designed to make the rich richer. Nothing makes me more angry than that. And although it took me months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop ViralMoolah, I'm willing to slash the prices down for you, just to give the chance to anyone who seriously needs it to get it. You see, originally, I charged $297 a month for ViralMoolah, but I won't charge you anywhere near that. Look, I'm 100% sure you've been burnt before, and I know you work hard every day just so you can survive. So for a limited time only, you will only pay a small one-time price that's the same as a cheap t-shirt. That way, I can make sure that the people who really need that system get it. There is a catch though. While the system is impossible to saturate, our system can handle only so many customers at once, because we want to give our members the best care we could and help each one of them to succeed. We can't accept more customers than we can handle. That's why we will be closing the system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like ViralMoolah, just send us a message. Not only will we refund every single penny you pay, we will pay you $300 out of our own pocket for wasting your time. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of ViralMoolah at a low one-time fee. I'll see you inside.
So when you sign in, you are greeted with this page, my friends. Starts with the VIP training. There are 6 videos over here, and there are 6 steps. So there are 6 videos, and some are carried over. Each step need not be one subject, so it is carried over to the next video. So we have the VIP training to start with.
ViralMoolah system overview.
This is the overview. Then next comes your research. Pinterest predicts. Login over here. Then the correction, how to connect your domain and hosting, and also adding a website. Everything is given here. You do not have to go out to buy a domain and creating a website. Then you can post it. So these are all in the same order: research, connect, domain, website, post, then advertise. So these are the ones which you will get in the front end itself. That is the core of ViralMoolah. Then comes your upgrades. So once you feel that this is a system which can help you, you have to put in your work, do all this earlier. Once you feel everything is fine, you are able to cope up with that, then you can upgrade to your professional version. And then you also have the support. Everything is in one. It's quite a simple software, quite simple. This is the over-the-shoulder premium training. Will show you step by step how to drive tons of free buyer traffic for Pinterest, the quicker and the easier way. So that is what ViralMoolah is all. So guys, a brief introduction to ViralMoolah. What is ViralMoolah all about? ViralMoolah is a very simple and yet a very complex system. So the simple is for you and the complex system is for the producers who have done the system, which is made easy and simple for you to work on. It is a system that will take you from nothing to having a thriving business in just a few clicks. And here is how it works. First, you enter the link you want to promote. This can be an affiliate product, your own product, it can be an e-commerce store or a CPA offer, your blog, offline business, literally anything you want to promote. It doesn't matter what, you will specify your niche of your choice. So ViralMoolah is capable of working with any niche, making money or forex, fitness, cooking, gaming, crypto, e-commerce, anything. Then the magic happens. ViralMoolah will take you and turn it into a viral bait without you ever doing anything. ViralMoolah uses the latest artificial intelligence technology to know exactly how to turn any link into a monstrous viral biting that will literally put thousands of desperate buyers to your offer. So ViralMoolah will ensure your content pulls thousands of desperate buyers to your offer, and all that is done on the back end. That is what is complex is all about. What are the prices and upsells? The front end version, that is called as a core, ViralMoolah core, costs you $17, and the pro version is called the control, ViralMoolah control, costs you $39. You get more ViralMoolah traffic from day one, 300% more, 300% more ViralMoolah traffic, auto extract, content spins, images. ViralMoolah Stampede, this is $39. ViralMoolah Result Stampede, work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for free. And ViralMoolah Instant Traffic, that is OTO3, is $127. This sends 5,000 to 10,000 extra visitors from ViralMoolah traffic source so that you can make 7K in additional monthly profits. ViralMoolah Reseller, as the name suggests, it's a reseller version. So this will allow you to sell ViralMoolah and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. ViralMoolah 1K paydays, that is OTO5, it costs $39. Now that you have ViralMoolah, you have all the traffic you need, plenty of it. But how do you turn that into money? By the monetization upgrades, this problem is solved. You will be able to turn your traffic into juicy 1K commission with no efforts. So these are the claims by the producers of ViralMoolah. It needs efforts. You will have to do it. If you are persistent, you can earn. I can't promise you how much you can earn, but mostly it is in your hands. So all this is covered by a no question 30-day money back guarantee. If you are not happy with it, you can always claim for a refund. They will also give you $300 for the efforts you have put in till then. This is within 30 days. If you have any problems, you can always claim your refund. So you have nothing to lose. So now let's go into my business bonuses by clicking the link below this video. Bonus library. You get a surefire wealth silver level pass with hundreds of products to download and offer as bonus in your promotion. You can offer it as your bonus whenever you promote. Bonus number 2, blogging advice for beginners. Learn the proven strategies to generating premium blog traffic for free. Bonus number 3, effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques the pros use to make more money easier. And bonus number 4, high profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make real money. These are my bonuses. My friends, you also get the fast action bonuses from the vendor if you buy the product today. What are the bonuses that you will be getting? You will be getting Free high quality bonus number 1, bundle niche blogs. Bonus number 2, $500 per day case study. Bonus number 3, 60K in 60 days case study. All these are connected with your product ViralMoolah. Bonus number 4, friendly talk fast 24/7 support. Click the button below and claim your earnestly awesome bonuses before the countdown hits 0. So we have come to the end of the review, guys. Hope you like ViralMoolah and believe that you will be able to earn out of it. You should know any business needs a little bit of effort and hard work, guys. You can make it happen. If you're persistent and you do not lose your way halfway, any business and income should be lucrative and easy. Any business seems very lucrative and easy when somebody else is doing it and they show their success. But when it comes to you, when you try it, you find that there are a lot of hiccups. These hiccups will be there. These hiccups will come to know only when you do it yourself, and that it needs efforts and patience. So if you are persistent and if you do it, I don't think there's any reason why you should fail. Many reasons why people fail in marketing, online marketing especially, is they lose their way. They don't have a boss. They are their own boss. People who are focused, they succeed. And the people who feel that I don't have a boss, I can do whatever they want, they become lazy and they lose halfway. So do not forget, you have to do a little bit of work, whatever you do. There's no easy money anywhere. So you have to put in your efforts. To sell a product, people will say that it is a 3-click income, but the 3-click income never happens. Being in marketing, online marketing for a long time now, I know that it is not possible. So you have to put in your efforts. If you feel that it is going to be just 3-click and you can earn money, then this is not for you. So you have to put in the effort. If you put in the effort, you will succeed. Okay. So this is what a small tip I want to give you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Like and share my videos to your friends. The friends whom you feel will benefit out of it and you feel your friend should come up in life, share to them. And thanks for being with me till the end. See you soon.